Did you know that Excel can speak your cell values back to you? You can add the speak option to your quick access toolbar. So here's how. If you click on this arrow here to customize the quick access toolbar, there's an option for more commands. If I click on that, I'll see options that I can add to my quick access toolbar. Now by default, it sets it to the popular commands, but what I can do is select commands not in the ribbon. And when I do that, I'll see all sorts of commands that I can't easily add to my quick access toolbar without going into here. One of them is the option to speak cells. So if I go down here, we'll see an option to speak cells. So I'll double click to add this. And there's also an option to stop speaking in case you wanted to stop, accidentally have it go on for too long. Click on OK. And now let's say I select some values here. And now on my quick access toolbar, you'll notice a green arrow for speak cells and a red X next to it that says to stop speaking cells. So if I click on this, now Excel is going to start speaking the values within the cells.
Phone case. Mechanical keyboard. Coffee beans. What?
And now I can hit the stop button if I want it to stop. So that's an example of just one of the cool things that you can add to your quick access toolbar by diving in and selecting from those options that aren't in the ribbon.